Today's title is Exercises for Birdwatchers. Have you ever seen a birdwatcher's camera? Many birdwatchers have cameras with long telephoto lenses. You can zoom in on birds and get great photos. A couple of years ago, I bought a camera with a telephoto lens. It is heavy. It weighs more than 4 kilograms. It doesn't feel so heavy when I carry it around on my neck or put it on a tripod. However, I can't do that when the birds are moving around and flying. I have to hold the camera steady and follow them. I need strong arms for birdwatching. So I think I will start doing exercises such as push-ups and lifting weights.
There are 2 questions. Please answer them. Question 1. Is the writer's camera light? Answer. No, it isn't. It weighs more than 4 kilograms. Question 2. What exercises does the writer want to start doing? Answer. He wants to do push-ups and lift weights. Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about doing exercises to support your hobbies? Example. I think doing exercises for hobbies is smart because staying physically strong helps you enjoy your activities better and for longer. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.
毎日2分で英語耳を鍛えたい方は、今のうちにチャンネル登録をお願いします。